is up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. I was very hesitant for a while to even do a hands-on for the new Magic Keyboard that came out with last year's iPad Pros. This is the specific one made for the 11-inch, which now that we have the new iPad Air in-house, is also compatible with this new Magic Keyboard. I was very hesitant at first to look at it just because of the huge price point at $300. It is very expensive. You can almost get a whole other iPad for the cost of this. But for what you get out of it and the flexibility to have, I finally went ahead and pulled the trigger. I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick unboxing and show you how it works with that new Air. So, typical fashion, you can see the product right on the top of the packaging, the different positions that you can position the tablet on, as well as when it's closed. Let's go ahead and pull the tab and get right into this. Simple lift up case. And I can tell you, this is actually pretty heavy. A lot heavier than what I was expecting. Nothing else obviously in the package. You don't need any other charger necessarily for this by itself. Nice textured material. Obviously you have that Apple logo right there as well on the back of the case. You're gonna go ahead and have also inside your reading documents if you need. So, simple little booklet in here. I'm not gonna worry about this. This awesome case really is flexible. So it has USB pass-through on the side, which definitely will come in handy, so you can charge your iPad as well while you're using the case. You can see what it looks like when it's closed. Let me go ahead and slide this over and put the iPad in here. Alright, so you can see, thanks to the Pro model and the extra sensors that were included, it works perfectly well for this new Air, obviously with a lot of extra unused real estate, but it is here nonetheless, and it does work perfectly fine. You open it up, obviously your Touch ID is on the side here. Let me go ahead and just rest it on there, and you can see just how good it looks. You can see the little cursor animation, little circle here selecting what we're going to want to do if we want to open the App Store. This is going to be a huge benefit if you are going to be doing a lot of typing or doing a lot of productivity. You actually have your keyboard now to make full use of your iPad. It's still not going to take the place of a traditional laptop. Don't let them fool you thinking the iPad is going to be your next computer. It's definitely not going to be. But you can see just how slim it is, that USB pass-through to power the device and the keyboard. I love this design. Again, as far as the value for it, I don't think $300 should be spent by anyone on this 11-inch model. It only goes more up, more expensive from there. Keep in mind, Black Friday's coming. You might be able to find like an open box at Best Buy. At that price point, at maybe $200 or $250, that's where you should focus on this. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned to the channel. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.